importance of shaving with a sharp blade. This goes to a simple Bic, any type of 5-blade razor, to an electric shaver. When a blade is dull, when applied, it causes the hair to break inside the skin. Look at it this way, the hair is forcibly removed, so the skin becoming inflamed, creating bump or bumps, sometimes that even fill up with pus and the scab up, creating more ingrown hairs. And that's when the tweezers come out. We usually do take 1 or 2 out, but we have seen some pretty bad cases and we just recommend you to see a dermatologist. As simple as this might be, you'll be surprised how often these are changed. Just snap them off real quick, dust them off, clean them off. They're really inexpensive. They're like $20, $24. You just easy as 1, 2, 3. Snap in and it pops off. This is actually the babyless shaver. Snap that on real quick. Make sure it's nice and clean and it's secured. Turn it on, spray it off. And it's the same thing with the Andy shaver. There you go, easy.